One greatest weakness lies in giving up, and the most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Hi, this is Radha Srinivas, and I'm here with the topic latitudes and longitudes. So, latitudes and longitudes play a very important role. The particular location of a place can be traced precisely with the help of latitudes and longitudes of that place. Earth is divided into degrees of latitudes and longitudes, which help us measure location and time. When latitudes and longitudes are put together or used together, they define specific location through geographical coordinates. And these coordinates are used in Global Positioning System, GPS, to provide accurate location of the place. Globe is a miniature form of the Earth, a true model, a replica of the Earth in a smaller scale. You can notice a fixed needle passing through globe in a tilted manner. It's known as its axis, and there is no such needle for the Earth. It's an imaginary line passing through North Pole through the center of the Earth to South Pole. So it is passing through 2 points, that is North Pole and South Pole. Latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes are imaginary horizontal lines around the Earth running from east to west. Latitudes are used to define the north-south position of a location on a planet. It is also used to find out the different climatic zones. Longitudes. Longitudes are vertical lines connecting North Pole to the South Pole. Longitudes are used to define east-west position of a location on the Earth. And longitudes are used for time zones. Let us know more about latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes are a circle around Earth. These are equidistant but not equal in length. These are also known as parallels because they never meet each other. Equator, a 0-degree latitude, is the most important latitude, which is an imaginary line which divides the Earth into 2 horizontal halves, that is Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere. North latitudes are denoted with the letter N and south latitudes are denoted with the letter S. Since the distance from the equator to either of the poles is 90 degrees, there is a 1/4 of circle. That is 1/4 of 360 degrees is 90 degrees. So 90-degree north is known as North Pole and 90-degree south is known as South Pole. There are total 181 latitudes, 90 north latitudes, 90 south latitudes and equator. Now longitudes. Longitudes are semicircles. They are also known as meridians, which are of equal length, but the distance between them decreases as they move towards the poles. These are not parallels as they converge at poles. So prime meridian, it is also known as Greenwich meridian, a 0-degree longitude, as it passes through the Greenwich where British Royal Observatory is located. So it got the name from the location, that is a Greenwich. So prime meridian and 180-degree longitude divides the Earth vertical into two vertical halves, that is the eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. East longitudes are denoted with the letter E and west longitudes are denoted with the letter W. There are total 360 longitudes, 179 east longitude, 179 west longitude, 180-degree longitude and prime meridian, total 360 longitudes. All these latitudes and longitudes are imaginary lines. Let's learn about more about the important latitudes. So we have learned equator, that is a 0-degree latitude, North Pole 90-degree north, and 90 degrees south, that is a South Pole. But beside this, there are 4 more important latitudes. They are Tropic of Cancer, which is at 23.5 degrees north. So 23 degrees north is known as Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degrees south is known as Tropic of Capricorn. And we have 66.5 degree north, Arctic Circle, and 66.5 degrees south is Antarctic Circle. So 4 more important latitudes are Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north, Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees south, Arctic Circle, 66.5 degree north, and Antarctic Circle, 66.5 degree south. Latitudes even define heat zones of the Earth. There are 3 heat zones of the Earth: torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. Torrid zone lies between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, that is 23.5 degree north and 23.5 degrees south. Sun is exactly overhead at least once in a year on all latitudes of torrid zone. It receives maximum heat, so it is known as a hot zone or a torrid zone. Second one, temperate zone. Temperate zone lies between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in a northern hemisphere, Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in southern hemisphere. Sun rays fall slanting. Beyond, the sun never shines overhead beyond Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. So it receives moderate heat. So it is known as a moderate zone or a temperate zone. The third one, frigid zone. Frigid zone lies between Arctic Circle and North Pole in the northern hemisphere and Antarctic Circle and South Pole, between Antarctic Circle and a South Pole in the southern hemisphere. The sun rays are always slanting and sun does not rises much above horizon in frigid zone. Always the sun rays are slanting, so it is very cold here and it is known as frigid zone. These are the countries with the zones, heat zones. Where does India lie? In which zone does India lie? So southern part of India lies in a torrid zone and the northern part of India lies in a temperate zone. Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 states of India. So name those 8 states in the comment box. To know accurate location of a place, we do need one more reference line. For example, Mauritius is in Indian Ocean and Tonga is in Pacific Ocean, but both lie on 20 degrees south. But we wanted to trace the precise location of the place. So that reference line is known as longitude. So there are two important longitudes. It's prime meridian and international date line. We have discussed about a prime meridian. Prime meridian is also known as a Greenwich meridian. And international date line. International date line is an imaginary line, a demarcation line on the surface of the earth running from north to south, which demarcates the change of one calendar day to the next. It roughly follows 180-degree longitude. It is not a straight line, it is a zigzag line because it passes through the Pacific Ocean. We are done with today's session. In the next session, we are going to take up longitude and time. Here are a few questions. The degree of prime meridian is 90 degree north, 0 degree meridian, or 0 degree. Freeze zone lies near the poles, the equator, the Tropic of Cancer. The total number of longitudes are 360, 190, 180. Have a great day. Thank you.